Hi. One of our goals at WCS is to maximize learning by layering subjects, taking advantage of every way different subjects naturally overlap. With that in mind, let me tell you a little bit about how we teach math here at Weston Classical School. For elementary math, we use the U.S. edition of the Singapore math curriculum. At their website, they describe their program like this. The Singapore math method is a highly effective teaching approach originally developed by Singapore's Ministry of Education in the 1980s for Singapore public schools. Singapore consistently ranks at the top in international math testing. The intentional progression of concepts in the Singapore math approach instills a deep understanding of mathematics. End quote. Let me show you very basically how this progression of concepts works. You start with visuals of everyday objects. Then you move to symbolic visuals like you see here at the top for the same type of problem. And then you go on to work the same kind of problems using numbers in the traditional way. To make things more hands-on and to really help out those tactile learners, we also use math manipulatives from the Math UC curriculum. Singapore math also places a lot of emphasis on mental math, the ability to do problems in one's head. This also helps develop a deeper understanding of math concepts. Now, of course, what makes math really special here at WCS is that we teach it bilingually, in English and in Latin.
Hade sex ett numeraum unum, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Sleep with us?
No way.
Is it dress?
Is it racers?
Allt är strappa.
Tre pedals.
Aliquid om isisti. Carole?
Jag går inte att tre konkor.
Välja till skis.
Duodum per unum.
Est duoduktum per unum et est pes ductum per pedem.
Duo pedals.
Quadrati.
Teaching Singapore math bilingually is just one more way that we layer learning at WCS. It's math class that promotes learning of facts and instills a fundamental understanding of concepts. Plus, it's an organic way to learn Latin, which benefits the students as any foreign language would, and prepares them for a deeper understanding of other subjects as only Latin can. Memorization is very important, especially in the early years when kids are so naturally good at it. That's what in classical education is known as the grammar stage, when kids can very easily memorize information, sometimes even before they understand it. But in math, it's particularly important to develop that deeper understanding as you go. Singapore math helps us do that. Furthermore, by teaching it bilingually, we really are making the most of every minute of learning here at WCS.